Welcome to Electro Shopify theme tutorial. In today's video, I will guide you how to create product comparison section for a store that has one product category and multiple product categories. Electro theme supports the product comparison section, which allows customers to easily compare similar products before deciding which one to buy. Let's configure a product comparison for one product category. Creating a product comparison section becomes more straightforward when your store specializes in just one product category, like clothing. Now, we are on Theme Editor. You can add product comparison section by clicking on Add Section. You can search or scroll down to find product comparison. To customize for the product comparison section, click on the section, and you will see all settings on the left hand. You can customize this section by filling on the placeholders of these content, including section subheading, section heading, and section description. If you want to remove any settings, just delete the content and give it a blank space. Regarding the layout setting, you can choose to enable or disable to show the scroll horizontal bar with the show progress indicator. This feature is specifically designed for screens with a size of 768 pixel or smaller, such as tablets and mobile devices. When you switch to the mobile view, a bar will be displayed. When I disable this feature, the bar will automatically disappear. Once I switch back to the desktop view, the bar will no longer be visible, as previously mentioned. By default, the product comparison section supports two kinds of content alignment: left and center. To make the product comparison section work properly, the comparison metafield keys and metafield namespaces must be filled. We have video tutorials about how to set up and use metafield and meet object in Electro theme. You can check it on the card displayed on the screen, or find it in description box. The comparison on this section will be shown as a table with various metafield keys of a metafield namespace. On comparison metafield keys, please enter a list of the product metafield keys you want to compare in the table. Let's access custom data on Shopify admin to check the metafield keys and namespace. As you can see, metafield keys are fit, care instruction, material, and metafield namespace is custom. Back to Theme Editor, I will enter the metafield key here. Now, let's access theme setting, choose product information, and type the namespace custom below specifications. You can also adjust the row revealed by default, from the range 1 to 10. And enable display in product page to automatically generate a column for the currently viewed product. The product comparison section supports two buttons, primary and secondary button. To add button text and button link, you need to click on the placeholder and insert the content. You can include a link for the button here. To change the settings of the button, please update your theme settings. If you want to remove one button in that section, just delete the label text. In the theme settings, you can select to show the color swatches, show the quick shop button, product rating, and product vendor for each product in this section. You can also set image ratio here. On each product block, you can select featured products here by clicking the Select Products button. Please note that the maximum number of products you can choose to compare in this section is 3. And now, all done, please save and check the result. Please note that the 3 products used for comparison will remain unchanged, even if you switch to a different product. If you click on one of the 3 products used for comparison, the product page of that item will only compare those 3 products, and the number of columns will decrease from 4 to 3, as it is currently. But what if your store has multiple categories like this? Let's address that. The previous way to create product comparison section will not work. For example, I choose product page type as default, and create a product comparison section for sofa product. When I check on live view, it shows perfectly, right? But when I switch to another product such as t-shirt, it will compare t-shirt with other sofas as settings previously. This issue will happen to other product types, such as silk scarf. Now, I will guide you how to fix that issue. You need to create a new template for each product category. I will enter the name as template for sofa and base on default product. Now back to product on Shopify admin, I will set theme template for all sofa products as template for sofa. You can do similarly for other product categories such as cosmetics, apparel and accessories, clothing, etc. And there you have it. Whether you have one product category or many, the Electro theme empowers you to create effective product comparison sections. This is the end of this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest video. Thanks for watching.